Helo a chroeso nôl I fy mhodlediad. Hello and welcome back to my podcast. Dyn busnes o Aberystwyth yn rhan o ddadl gyfreithiol dros grys Cwpan y byd Bobby Moore. A businessman from Aberystwyth involved in a legal dispute over Bobby Moore's World Cup shirt. Cyfres, pedwar a phennod, rhif, chant a 39. Series 4 in episode number 339. A Gwyn. Black and white. Hello everybody. There it is in black and white. Well, here's something else that's in blue and you can hover on it. It says, Helo, ddadl. Today is Monday, y chweched o'r Orffennaf, 2026. The 6th of July, 2026. Ac mae hi'n 7 munud ar 20 wedi 8 yr hwyr. Ac mae hi'n 7 munud ar 20 wedi 8 yr hwyr. And it is 27 minutes past 10, 8 p.m. It's usually 10, isn't it? It's 8 today. So, ac mae hi'n 7 munud ar 20 wedi 8 yr hwyr. It is 27 minutes past 8 p.m. Got it right this time. Okay, the link there for the news thing for Bobby Moore's shirt dispute. And then today we've got another musical artist, which is Soul New, which I've realised is a anagram or other way reverse of Wyn Lewis or Lewis Wyn. His name is Lewis Wyn Jones by the looks of it. He's got a LinkedIn. I think that's who he is. So just scrolling up to where I need to be, and there we go. Mae Soul New yn DJ, cynhyrchydd a cherddor electronig o Lanrug wedi bod yn rhan o sîn gerddoriaeth dan-ddeiorol Cymru ar ers dros 2 ddegawd. Soul New is a DJ, producer and electronic musician from Lanrug who has been part of the underground music scene in Wales for over 2 decades. Yn ogystal â rhyddhau cerddoriaeth dan ei enw ei hun, as well as releasing music under his own name, mae wedi bod gweithio ar brosiectau arbrofol ac wedi adeiladu enw am gymysgu dylunwadau techno, electro, ambient ac electronica gyda syniadau creadigol sy'n tynnu ar diwylliant a thirwedd Cymru. He has worked on experimental projects and built a reputation for mixing techno, electro, ambient and electronica influences with creative ideas that draw on the culture and landscape of Wales. Dechreuodd gynhyrchu cerddoriaeth electronic yn ifanc. He started producing electronic music at a young age, gan arbrofi gyda samplwyr, peiriannau drum a synthesizers. Experimenting with samplers, drum machines and synthesizers. Dros y blynyddoedd, mae ei waith wedi datblygu o sain electronic uniongyrchol I gyfansoddiadau mwy heinog sy'n cyfuno rhythmau dawns gyda gweidau atmospheric a sain arbrofol. Over the years, his work has developed from direct electronic sound to more layered compositions that combine dance rhythms with electronic textures and experimental sound. Mae Soul New wedi rhyddhau cerddoriaeth ar nifer o labeli annibynnol ac wedi cydweithio ac awtistiaid o Gymru a thu hwnt. Soul New has released music on a number of independent labels and has collaborated with artists from Wales and beyond. Yn ogystal â'i waith fel cynhyrchydd, mae wedi perfformio fel DJ mewn clwbiau gwyliau a digwyddiadau ledled ar Deyrnas Unedig ac Ewrop. In addition to his work as a producer, he has performed as a DJ at clubs, festivals and events throughout the UK and Europe, gan adeiladu enw am setiau sy'n symud yn rhydd rhwng gwahanol arddelliau electronic. Building a reputation for sets that move freely between different electronic styles. Mae ei waith yn aml yn cael ei ysbrydoli gan dirwedd. His work is often inspired by the landscape, iaith a hanes Cymru, language and history of Wales. Yn hytrach na dilyn un genre, mae'n defnyddio elfennau o techno, IDM, ambient, electro ac electronica i greu traciau sy'n gallu bod yr un mor addas ar gyfer y llawr dawns ac ar gyfer gwrando adre. Rather than following a simple genre, he uses elements of techno, IDM, ambient, electro and electronica to create tracks that can be just as suitable for the dance floor as for listening at home. Yn ogystal â pherfformio a chynhyrchu, as well as performing and producing, mae Soul New wedi cyfrannu at ddatblygiad cerddoriaeth electronic yng Nghymru drwy gefnogi artistiaid eraill. Soul New has contributed to the development of electronic music in Wales by supporting other artists. Trefnu digwyddiadau, organising events a hyrwyddo cerddoriaeth newydd, and promoting new music. Mae ei waith wedi ennill parch ymhlith cefnogwyr cerddoriaeth electronic ac am ei natur chwilfrydig a'i barodrwydd i arbrofi. His work has earned him respect among fans of electronic music for his inquisitive nature and willingness to experiment. Gyda gyrfa sy'n ymestyn dros flynyddoedd lawer, mae Soul New yn parhau ddatblygu ei sain wrth chwilio am syniadau newydd. With a career that spans many years, Soul New continues to develop his sound while searching for new ideas. Mae ei gerddoriaeth yn adlewyrchu dylanwadau rhyngwladol, ond hefyd ymdeimlad cryf o le ac ddiwylliant Cymreig. His music reflects international influences, but also a strong sense of place and of Welsh culture. That's the bio today. Go and have a look. There's some videos and interview and so forth. Different styles of stuff. Where are we going? Some news now. Peilonau ysbysiad cwmni yn ei gwyrdd i gael mynediad i dir yn Rhy Eang medd yr uchel lys. Pylon's green energy company notice to access land too wide, says the High Court. Where are we now? Tan mawr ger safle hen birfa olew yn Sir Benfro. A large fire near the site of an old oil refinery in Pembrokeshire. Sir Benfro, llys yn clywed bod bachgen ysgol wedi cau drws dosbarth cyn ymosod ar athrawes. Pembrokeshire court hears that a schoolboy closed the classroom door before attacking a teacher. Powys, anafiadau, allai beryglu bywyd plentyn 5 oed wedi gwrthdrawiad. Powys, a 5-year-old boy, suffered life-threatening injuries after a collision. Carchar, I ddyn o Ynys Môn, a oedd wedi bygwth llosgi ei gyn-partner. Prison for a man from Anglesey who had threatened to burn his ex-partner. Okay, I've written another song, and there's a video that I did some years ago, and a little story behind it on the web lesson. An animation thing I did with it, and I wrote the track, all done through the night one night. I synced up MIDI VJing parts to the audio, the MIDI audio I'd done, if that means anything to anybody. So yeah, all the MIDI that made the audio, I then used it to make video parts, and then made this thing from one picture and some text. Did it through the night and put it out the next day. I was doing a track a day, and one day I did 5. Yeah, anyway. These are some lyrics I've written today, because I'm doing things in Welsh now, of course. Bob bore cyn iddyn nhw ddeffro, each morning before they wake. Dwi'n dioddef, dwi'n dioddef, un peth eto. I suffer the same again. Pam mae gen i'r teimladau hyn? Why do I have these feelings? Does dim angen cosbi fy hun. There's no need to punish myself. Amseru newid, time to change. Newid y focus. Change the focus. Amseru newid, time to change. A newid fy hun, and change myself. Amseru newid, time to change. A charu fy hun, sorry. And love myself. And their lyrics, and here's the song. Catch you tomorrow. Bye, bye, bye. Dwi'n dioddef un peth eto. Pam mae gen i'r teimladau hyn? Does dim angen cosbi fy hun. Amser I newid, newid y ffocws. Amser I newid, a newid fy hun. Amser I newid, a charu fy hun.